Penchuri, now you ask you a few questions on the, which is on the social media today. This NGO called Global Witness alleged that your family involved in the land corruption.
Okay.
Comment on this?
I saw the so-called proof. Could it not be someone tried to promote themselves to become an agent to get favors from me? It's nothing to do with me, right? You look at it. I think it's a bit naughty of them. They're using their big power in order to blacken my name. Okay, if that's what they're up to do, it only reflects their credibility.
So, President, do you mean that there is no such case in it? The no selling of NCR land?
You know, way back in 1980s, I was in charge of forestry. People say, oh, somebody wants to sue you, you come through me and all that. I make a public declaration, use law paper. I said, I make nobody as my intermediary because I don't believe in deals. Everything has got to be done according to government procedure.
Then how about your cousin saying that you're selling the land and then she is easily taught to you about the land, selling the land?
Do you know that cousin?
I don't know.
Do you find out what was the relationship between the father and me? Is it friendly or not? We were fighting at one time. So that cousin cannot be my most trusted. But up to you. They want to create something, find something much more credible to create.
Do you willing to receive their interview someday?
They're trying to frame people like me from evidence that can be interpreted. Anybody, even you can go for interview and say, oh, you come, I go with the chief minister, you pay me something. Is that me or, right?
Okay.